everybody, welcome back to Southern Blessed Homestead. I am Mac.
I'm Patty.
And we got trouble in the garden.
Yes,
Our garden is under attack.
Yep.
By a vicious animal.
Yep. Well, some creature that does not like me, but loves my garden.
But we gonna get him. We gonna get him. Because I got a trap set. So what'd you find this morning, Patty, when you came out? What did you find in the garden?
Devastation. My sunflowers, they have been destroyed.
You can see them back there laying down. Let's take them back there. Go ahead. Wow, man. They wiped this whole row out. Yep. Oh my goodness.
Yep. They found the ones that had seeds and just ripped them up and ate all the seeds out. I was leaving them for the birds, and I was killing a little worm that was on my...
No, I was looking at that one there.
Yeah.
But look at that, seeds. All of them.
They were the Black Russian and the Mammoth that had big sunflower seeds in them. Now, as you notice right here, they didn't bother the ones that had the multiple heads. It was the ones that had the single heads that had
well, they hadn't really bloomed yet. They'll probably get them when they open up.
Yeah, they might, because, well, I did take that one off of that one, but
look behind you over there. My goodness.
Wow, they ripped them up.
Look at that.
Look how they just ripped it all to pieces.
They just sat here and had a picnic. Something did.
Yep. Yep. Wow. But there's 1, 2,
big one.
3, 4, 5, 6 of them here. 7. Actually 7. Well, that one didn't win, so it's 6. This one right here. So there's 6 of them. And there's actually 2 more over on the other side.
Well, let's go there, because that's near your watermelons, ain't it?
Right. That's where it first started, was the watermelon patch.
Wow. This word, we weed our way through this jungle. Them tomatoes need to start turning.
Yep. Yep. This is the carnage from my watermelon patch. I got tired of feeding the critter and not getting it, so I just tore out my watermelons, and this is what they did. They ripped open every one of them. These are small watermelons, personal size ones, sort of. They're called coho, whatever.
Oh, and that's all the plants you ripped up? Yeah.
And I got mad, so I ripped it all up, but last night they came right there.
I just can't believe that they drug these plants over like that.
Yep.
Those are big old sunflower plants. Well, we got 2 left. Maybe they'll probably come get them tonight.
Come and rip these down.
Yeah.
Who knows? They're not quite ready yet, but they didn't bother them when they ate my watermelons. They weren't even ripe. Wow. But this whole area was full of watermelons. I had a Jubilee, sugar baby, whatever they call those, little round ones. And then I had those long, I don't even know how to say it. I keep saying that because I don't know how to say it. Caho, C-A-H-O. Anyway, they're yellow ones, and they're really good. Wiped them out. So they did it. They did it twice. They came and got a bunch, and then I noticed I had some more, and I sprinkled cayenne pepper all over, and it kept them away for a while. And Tuesday night when we were on our live, right before then I came out and sprinkled some more cayenne pepper, but I didn't sprinkle that much. I just did a little bit. And while we were on our live, he was out here munching away, he, she, it. And
use the proper pronoun.
I don't know the proper pronoun. And destroyed the rest of it, and I said, that's enough. I'm not going to do it.
Well, let's show them, take them over there, show them what weapon we're using to get them.
Okay, we'll show them that.
Alright, so we are locked and loaded tonight. I got this big trap, and we think it's a raccoon. So
look, show them the paw prints on the thing.
Oh yeah, it's a raccoon because there's paw prints all up and down this, and Patty just laid this out like yesterday. So this was nice and clean, and there's paw prints all up and down it. So we're pretty sure it's a raccoon. Check this out. There ain't no raccoon that can resist a graham cracker with marshmallow cream all over it. That's gonna be the death of him right there.
We hope.
So anyway, we're hoping that big old trout, we'll catch one. I usually stay up late on Thursday nights and to get my sleeping schedule back on for work tomorrow night. But so I'm gonna come out here several times with the spotlight and see what I can see.
Yeah, we're hoping, because right here is also my other melons. I have Kajari melons over there, and I have tiger melons over here. They're on trellises, and I've got like 4 or 5 on each one. And I'm really hoping and praying that he doesn't find those, because I have never eaten these and I want to try them.
They're already pretty good size, aren't they? So
yeah.
Yeah, if he sees them or smells them, yeah. Well, hopefully we can catch him tonight. And did you want to show a picture? Or
Over there.
Let me show you. These are some pretty melons here. And
These are the Kajari melons.
yeah, there and there. She's got like 4 of them up there. 5. Wow, 6. Yeah, she's got like 6 or 7 out all throughout there. So yeah. And then what do you got over here?
These are the tiger melons that are all up. Okay. And there's some right there.
Okay, so here's one. Where was the other one?
There's right here, and right there, and right there, and down.
Wow, you got a bunch of little ones too, so maybe we'll get a whole bunch.
Yeah, I'm hoping.
So hopefully.
I didn't get any watermelons, so hopefully I'll get these kind of melons.
So hopefully, hope and pray that we catch the raccoon tonight. We can stop this attack on our garden so that we can enjoy our melons. So we'll pause this video and then we'll check the trap in the morning and we'll be getting back with you and seeing what we got. Yeah, we got a raccoon. There he is. Hey, Mr. Raccoon. Quit eating our watermelons and our sunflowers. I'm about to get him out of there. He's hot. I gotta get him out of the cage. All that black stuff is Patty's grass weed barrier. He yanked it and pulled it and ripped it because it was sitting over here on this. He tore it all up. This is brand new shit, just laid down, and he had it all ripped up. He had every bit of that. She said it was just a huge pile of it. He had drugged that stuff into the cage. So next time I set it, I'm gonna set it again today. I'm gonna pull this back, set it on the dirt so that he can pull it through the cage. So she said it was all wadded up and balled up in there with him. I don't know how and what he did that. Those little squares aren't an inch, half an inch. So anyway, okay, that's raccoon number 1. I'm gonna get him out and reset this and we'll see if we catch another one. And I'll keep y'all posted. But for now, I hope y'all have a southern blessed day. Appreciate you watching. Hit that like button. Subscribe. It's free. Don't cost nothing.